Hello YouTube, this is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Stop wasting all your money on hair grease that claim to grow your hair fast. In this video, I will be showing you how to take a plain jar of petroleum jelly or Vaseline and customize it by adding Ayurvedic herbs that target your own specific scalp and hair needs. So, if you want to be able to make your own tailored hair grease for you or a family member, please watch this video all the way to the end. Alright you guys, so let's get into transforming this jar of petroleum jelly. Now, petroleum jelly can lock in moisture, prevent dryness and breakage by applying on damp hair or after applying a moisturizing product. It can create a barrier against environmental damage like wind and pollution. When using petroleum jelly, you must be mindful that it is very thick and can be difficult to wash out. It can trap dirt and dust, leading to buildup on the scalp and hair. Regular shampooing with a clarifying shampoo can help remove any residue. We're going to add this to a pot to allow us to be able to melt and infuse all of our ingredients together. First, I will be adding fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are packed with essential nutrients like iron, protein, and vitamins A, C, and K, which help nourish hair follicles and promote new hair growth. Fenugreek seeds contain anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties that can help create a healthy scalp environment, reducing hair fall. Next is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are packed with vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and iron, all which are essential for healthy hair and scalp. Fennel seeds help stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It contains nutrients that help nourish the scalp, creating a better environment for hair growth. Next up is bamboo extract, which is rich in silica, a mineral critical for collagen production. Collagen provides the structure support needed for strong, healthy hair, making it resilient to damage. Moringa powder contains iron and zinc that help strengthen hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Iron plays an important role in blood circulation, ensuring that hair follicles receive the necessary nutrients for growth. It also helps prevent premature graying and breakage. Studies have shown that using ashwagandha topically significantly enhances hair density, growth, and thickness. It helps to fortify hair strands from within by nourishing the scalp and follicles. It also reduces hair loss by decreasing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Fo tea is a traditional Chinese herb that is gaining a lot of recognition for its many benefits for hair, which I will list in the description box below. Burdock root is a DHT blocker. It coats the hair shaft, adding shine and smoothness while also helping to prevent moisture loss. It helps strengthen hair strands, making them less prone to breakage and split ends. It also contains vitamin A, which is known to be beneficial for scalp health. So now I'm just going to sit this on my stove top on medium to low heat and let this infuse for 30 to 45 minutes. Alright you guys, so it has been exactly 45 minutes. I just took my grease off the stove. I'm going to let it sit on the side and cool down some before I strain it and pour it back into the same plastic container that I took it out of. Now that it has cooled down and is safe enough for me to strain and pour back into my plastic jar, I have a piece of cheesecloth and 2 clothespins holding it in place. Now you don't want to wait too long to do this step because the longer you wait, your grease is returning back to its original stage. The thicker it gets, the harder it will be to strain. Peppermint essential oil stimulates hair growth by increasing blood flow to the scalp, nourishing the hair follicles, and encouraging them to grow. Rosemary also stimulates hair follicles and improves blood flow to the scalp, leading to more hair growth and thickness. It has been proven to be just as effective as minoxidil for hair growth. It is also a DHT blocker. Jamaican black castor oil improves scalp health, strengthens hair and reduces breakage, moisturizes and prevents dryness. It also promotes hair growth and improves hair health. Vitamin E helps to seal in moisture, strengthens the hair, and it also shields the hair from damage caused by pollution, sun exposure, and other environmental factors. So now we just want to give this a good stir and make sure all our ingredients are evenly distributed. Now I'm just going to show you quickly how I apply this to my hair. I'm just going to section my hair off. Mist it with my aloe vera juice. I start at the roots, making sure I get all the way down to my ends. Now, I don't use this on my scalp. I only use it on the length of my hair to help retain moisture. But you can use it on your scalp. But as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, it is very thick and can cause a buildup, which any product, if you're not careful, can cause a buildup, which could potentially lead to hair loss. I generally wash my hair weekly. The longest I may go is 2 weeks without washing my hair. I just pay attention to my scalp and let it tell me when it's time for a wash. If my scalp feels really itchy or irritated or has a bad odor that is usually caused by a bacteria, I know that it's time to wash my hair. Not only products that you use can cause buildup, but your scalp is constantly shedding dead skin cells, which can accumulate if not properly removed. Hard water can contribute to scalp buildup. Pollution, sweat, and even pollen can cause scalp buildup. If you are having problems with a lot of buildup, it may be that you just need to wash your hair more, or maybe you need a clarifying shampoo or a scalp scrub, or something as simple as scalp massages to help stimulate circulation can help break up buildup. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button so YouTube knows that you enjoy my content. And if you didn't, leave me a comment below and tell me why. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified of future videos that I post.